What's up, guys? Good to have you again. Good to have you again. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? It's another day to move the market. Mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? This is a trading assembly. I am trading binary options. And currently I am on gold OTC chart. Yeah, structure is bullish. We are getting into a bearish pullback, so that is my bias right now. Let's see if we can get any moves. But tell me, traders, how has your day been? Have you looked at your charts today? Have you looked at your charts today? Romeo, what's up? What's up? Raquel, good to see ya. Duke, what's up? Abdul, Hafiz.
I admit it. I left you standing there, and now I
tell me, guys, how have you spent your day today? How have you spent your day today?
The chance I lose my cool and I blow it, and I get all time.
Okay, these are our buys today. I mean, structure is already bullish, and I'm still biased about that.
I should have kissed you. I should have told you.
Oh
just
my God, damn.
Next time I won't stop. I listen
hey, let us get another move.
Cause what I feel is real. I should have kissed you. I should have told you how I feel.
Yo, good to see ya. Mark the trader, what's up? Ratio, good to see you. Guess you're having a good day. Of course, my day is beautiful, guys. I had a beautiful day. Of course, I've been fully locked in today, to be honest. Yeah, I've been so locked in today. And we are still locked in. So this is a trading assembly. Every day we are showing up consistently, moving the market. Dream, what's up? What's up? Thank you, Dream. Thank you. But traders, tell me, how have the markets been for you today? Or how are the markets for you today? Alrighty, what's up? Mine has been great. Honestly, I was fully locked in today. Okay, let us get another move.
I should have told you how I feel. I should have kissed you.
Yes, guys, every night I'm here 8 p.m. UK time. We show up consistently. This is a trading assembly. So every night we are here moving the markets, and feel free to ask any trading question. Feel free to ask any trading question.
Just when your lips met mine, yeah, I finally got it right. I'll be leaving with you.
Temperature is hot today. No lie, no lie. It's quite hot. I believe it's really quite hot these days.
Told you just how I feel. Next time I won't stop. I listen to my heart.
Dream, what do you mean? What do you mean? No, oh my God, guys, I do not only trade gold, but like I always tell you, if I'm starting a trading session, I first look at different pairs and I consider a pair that is moving. Of course, if you are a full-time trader or if you have been consistently in the market, you're going to find yourself leaning towards a few pairs more because, I mean, they have given you good profit, they move for you. So I know it's not like every day we are going to be trading as a trader picking random pairs. You get to a point, if you're consistently, you find yourself when you have about 5 assets that you love trading. But whenever I'm honestly picking what to trade, it's all about seeing it is moving, and it is moving in a way where I will execute. Sometimes the market can be moving, but if it's not making sense to you guys, please check out a pair that is really moving to what you anticipate the market to be. Trading is something that we don't force.
You got me sipping
You just flow with the market.
I can't compare to nothing I've ever known. I'm hoping that after this fever I'll survive. I know I'm acting a bit crazy, strung out a little bit hazy. Hand over heart, I'm praying that I'm gonna make it out alive. The bed's getting cold and you're not here. The future that we hold is so unclear. But I'm not alive until you call. And now that the odds against it all, save your advice, cause I won't hear.
This structure is really nice and we are milking. So let's see how this sells close. Beautiful. Okay, Dream, I'm seeing your problem. You can track market structure and candlestick patterns. You overtrade. Can someone make good? Oh, and you end up blowing. Okay. If you find yourself overtrading, I think having a goal, a trading goal for a day, can help you with overtrading. I know some days really markets are sweet. Yeah, there are those days when the markets are sweet and every opportunity you see, you want to take it. But also overtrading can be coming from an angle where you're not following your strategy. Like guys, I'm always telling you, anytime you see candles on the charts that are new and being printed, any trader is going to see it as an opportunity to enter a trade. But you as a trader, you should also be looking at the market based on your strategy. I mean, a pure price action trader will not be seeing the market or will not be getting entry opportunities at the zone as an SMC trader, because our confirmations are different. Same with someone who is trading, for example, trend lines and what. You may find yourself seeing different entries and what. So reducing your confluences to something like about 3 things, or sticking to one strategy, that's how it helps you not to overtrade. Because yes, you could be seeing a move, but you would want to take a move based on your strategy. As a person who has traded with different strategies, believe me, I can see some days you can really see, if you choose not to focus on your strategy, to look for the things your strategy comprises of. Some days you can see a move based on another entry, but you're just seeing that. But remember, you have to, every entry you see, it has to have other things backing it up, or other confluences backing it up. So try following your strategy and try to see if it will help you, because if you're following your strategy, I don't think you can overtrade. But also overtrading, you should first define it for us. Because I mean, you could be taking about 50 trades in your session, but it could not be overtrading, but you could be finding the number is a lot. So you should also tell us how do you see overtrading? How do you define overtrading traders actually? This is a good understanding actually. How do you guys define overtrading?
There's always tomorrow. I miss your touch some nights when I'm hollow. I know you crossed the bridge that I can't follow. Since the love that you left is all that I get.
I want you to know that if I can't be close to you, I'll settle for the ghost of you. Alexander, good to see ya. 11, good to see you. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Oh my god, guys, someone. Actually, I believe overtrading depends on you yourself as a trader, because honestly, me personally, I don't find myself as an overtrading trader. So you could be taking 50 trades, but actually you're not overtrading. But it all depends on how you perceive overtrading you as a trader. I do believe. I miss you more than life. Yeah. And if you can't be next to me, your memory's ecstasy. I miss you more than life. I miss you more than life. Alright, someone is saying overtrading could be executing entries on the you're buying and selling in the sell zone. If you find yourself in that position, it is possible, but most of the time, one way or the other, the entry is one of them is going to go against you. But guys, if I could share with you the easiest way you can, because now everything we are seeing here, it is us lacking discipline in the market. It is nice that all traders here, we have a strategy and we can easily follow it, but things that are affecting us are things concerning with psychology. And one thing I can tell you, when it comes to market psychology, the first thing that is going to help you get better is being consistent, because the more you show up on the charts, there are some things you're going to find yourself not doing again. Of course, a trader that is in their year one of trading, you're just starting out, your psychology is not going to be as a trader who has been like me right now, 4 years in trading. There are some things I don't do anymore because I have experienced it and I know it didn't turn out well. Yeah. So it's only oh my god. Sellers have really gone against me here. Let me see here. This is a crazy pullback. The more you're really consistent, you're going to be finding the mistakes you were making last week. You're not going to make them again. But if you see those mistakes and you skip a week or two, you're not looking at the charts and you want to come back, I don't feel like you're really going to be on the right page as someone who's consistent. Same with someone who's talking about they lack confidence. Yeah, and it is true. I agree with you. I've also experienced that as a trader. There are days when I knew, and the beauty about trading, if you can tell your mistakes, that means you are already a good trader, because some guys actually don't tell their mistakes. If you can tell that it's confidence affecting you, the first cause of lack of confidence, it is in trading, it is when you have taken losses and they damage your confidence in the market. You feel like anytime you're going to execute, the market is going to go against you. And purely some traders are used to guide to picking, they feel like they should, it's another person who, when some other person tells them what to do, that is when what is right. So even when they see a move, they want someone to whisper in their mind, to whisper in their ear to tell them it is right. But the easiest way you can gain confidence after a losing streak, it is simple. Start risking small and also focus on something like getting a few trades, but they are right. For example, if you're someone who is getting 20 trades, focus on getting about 5, and if 3 are right, that's already good enough. We all know our brain, the more you're getting good results, the better you're going to be, the better you're gonna get onto something. Before you know, you find yourself increasing your trades again. Our account has grown, so let us increase some risk, guys. I mean, that's how I be trading here, and you be seeing how I be managing my risk. I start risking small, and I keep on increasing as my account grows. Oh my God, Mason, honestly, that is some interesting question. When did I say today is Sunday? Oh my God. It's a fresh week, of course, and traders tell me, have you executed any entries today? Have you looked at your chart? Consistency. The best way you can really develop your trading skill is by being consistent. Show up even when it's uncomfortable, because honestly, I know when you're just starting out to trade and you have really taken a few losses from the market, there is that excitement sometimes you can lose, and trading start feels like it is something that really disturbs your mind. But if you are able to overcome that stage, you're gonna enjoy, and the easiest way you can do that by being consistent. And being consistent doesn't mean that you're gonna spend that whole day on your charts. I mean, who does that? You do not have to spend your entire day on the charts to really be a good trader. You just have to show up for a few hours. The key is to show up. Coming for the king like a far cry. I come alive in the part-time. The competition, I don't really listen. I'm in the blue moon song, but when you edition. House so empty, need a centerpiece. 20 racks of table come from ebony. Cut that ivory into skinny pieces. Then she clean up with her face, but I love my baby. You talking money, need a hearing aid. You talking about me, I don't see a shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my core if I kill any pain. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time is 15 seconds, guys. The strategy I use to trade is pure price action, and with pure price action, I look out for three confluences. That is understanding the market direction, the market I'm dealing with. I look to understand market structure. As a pure price action trader, understanding market structure, it's going to save you a lot of hassle when it comes to trading. If you can really understand and get the concept of structure, I believe trading gets easier from there, because it's really something that I really changed in my trading, and it just made things easy for me as a trader. You talking about me, I don't see the shade. Switch on my side, I take any lane. Switch on my core if I kill any pain. The other thing I always look out for is candlestick patterns. Now, as a trader, if that's the strategy you plan to take on, all you have to do is to keep on showing up, to consistently practice it. I know market structure is something that every trader believes knows. Until you're on the charts and you're not seeing the moves, that's when you get back and you understand market structure. You have to be looking at candle closure. Candle closure in trading is so important. It's an aspect that you have to really consider as a trader. Yeah, because movement, candle closure, it's showing you direction. If I look forward to taking buy entries and I see a green candle closing above a red candle with big momentum, that is like more confirmation and can give you more confidence compared to looking to take on buys and you're seeing a green candle opening and closing, but it has a tiny body. So being able to identify that as a trader, that is like getting a mechanical way of trading. You don't just trade by just assuming things. Now you're adding in some mechanical aspect as a trader, and things are getting better.
Don't you let out the antidote. Yeah, party on a Sunday. Do it all again on Monday.
Hey,
Split the check on a weekend. Oh my God, I might do it all again. That's bullshit. I just hit a 3-peat. Fuck 3 hoes I met this week. I don't do no old hoes. My nigga, that's a no.
market structure, it is not, guys, it is not. Market structure has been the same as long as you're looking at a candlestick chart. It has always been the same. You just have to give yourself time. Of course, if something is you're just starting out or you're trying to get better at it, it seems hard. That's why practice is. I've already shared this, guys. When I was learning how to trade, I would be mapping up just market structure every day for like about a month or less. And I would be sharing with a friend and my mentor, and they would be telling me this is right structure, this is wrong structure. So if you do not practice, and if you think you're gonna get understanding market structure in just 1 week or what, anyway, every trader has a way they get things. But the goal is to practice. If you're finding it's hard in 1 day, give it the next day, the whole week, the whole month. I mean, that's how it should be. Practice. Just wake up, spend 4 hours looking at different charts, and you're just mapping out its structure. And by market structure, we are talking about the valid highs and the lows in the market.
At the night show, ooh, your bitch not at home, she at the night show, ooh. Fucking right, ho, ooh. Had to catch a flight for the night show, ooh. Let's get right though, bottles got us right though. We ain't sipping light, no.
This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. The strategy I'm using, it's pure price action. It's pure price action.
You know you gotta go get it, my nigga. They hate, they sticking, they waiting. Don't be mistaken, we dying, they stand. Know I'm on fire, they thinking I'm safe. Calling me crazy on different occasions. Kicking the cameraman off on my stages, cause I don't like how he snapping my angles. I'm overboard and I'm over impatient. Up on my niggas and these cause my agents. Dealing with motion that's more complicated. Like these 2 bitches that might be related. H-Town, you got one. And you bumpy like a number 1. It's late night, got a late show. If you wanna roll, I got a place where popping pills is all we know. In the hills is all we know. Don't go through the front door. It's low key at the night show. So don't you open up that window. Don't you let.
Hey, how you doing? How's your day going? You know that you can always say what's on your mind. Are you on your way home? I warm up your plate when you arrive. And you go take off your shoes, hot water in the tub for you. Don't have to, but I love to do. Bartender, I pour a drink, a movie on to entertain. I'm down to do the little things. Just wanna take some time to thank you and let you know just how you make me proud. The good times make up for the bad ones. I see you trying and I don't know how. You keep up with me when you're working, switch your timing. When our schedules aren't aligning, that's a sign that it's okay to finally tell the world that you are more than enough for me. Right here when you're waking up, breakfast on the table, know you like eggs and nails scrambled up. Pancakes, bacon, OJ on the side. Got your bag with extra clothes, your toothbrush and a Louis toe love notes for when you on the road. Cleaned your watch and Cuban links, so pillowcase for you to take. Boy, you deserve a little thing.
All right.
Just wanna take some time to think.
Oh my God, guys! If you ask a question and I don't get to reply, ask again. Sometimes I don't see them. Comments be running fast. This is a trading assembly, and you know how we do it. Every night we're always here moving the markets, because why not? I mean, we have to keep on moving the markets regardless. How do you identify valid highs and lows? Actually, that is key. When it comes to market structure, that is really, really key. So me, before I look at market structure, I first understand the market condition I'm in. We have three types of markets. We have a bullish market, we have a bearish market, and we have a sideways market. So if you're really looking at a bullish market, you expect the market to be moving in series of higher highs and higher lows. So the market moves high, creates a new high, breaks structure to the upside, creates a new high, then pulls back, and it fails to break the previous low and continues up. That's how market structure is formed in a bullish market. To get valid market structure, now you're going to look at the strong. For bullish market, you're looking at the strong low that pushed the market to create a new high. That is the concept. That is the concept of a bullish structure. And you're not going to see that low because of, how can I say it? For a bullish market, you have to know that strong point of a bullish market, it is the lows, because they were strong enough to push the market high to break structure. So whenever you see that and you see there's that movement that push the market continuously high without the candles breaking in between to create and to lead to a break of structure, that is valid. So you mark it as your strong low in a bullish trend, because it made a difference for it to push the market high and create a new high. The opposite is true for a bearish market. A bearish market, hey, this was so quick to switch up on me. Damn.
How you gonna take it this far? Baby, know that you fuck with this star. Baby, know that you fuck with this star. I'd rather lie than to lose you, girl.
For a bearish market, guys, you know the market is moving in series of lower highs and lower lows, but now you're looking at that high that was strong enough to push the market down to create a new low. And that high was strong enough to also break structure, because that's the whole point. You look at the points that led to a break of structure. And that break of structure, if it has to be with a candle closing above it. If you just see a candle wick and the candle closed below that structure break, then that is not valid break of structure. The most efficient way to consider break of structure, it is the candle closing either below for a bearish market, and for bullish market, the candle is closing above. That's why I'm saying whenever you're trading and you're also looking at candlesticks, consider candle closure. Consider candle closure and how candles are forming around key areas. So if I'm looking at to take a bearish pullback entry, I'm going to look at seeing a red candle forming after a break of structure, but that red candle has to have strong momentum. Crazy. And that momentum candle is followed by another red candle. That is like more confirmation compared to using two tiny red candles in the zone that are showing no any form of movement. So candle momentum and closures is really important whenever you're trading, especially with price action. It is really important. As let me hope that answers you, Brian. Okay, let's see how our sales are closing. This is already a bearish movement. Mr. G, good to see ya. John, good to see ya. Hassan, good to see ya. Updates, good to see ya.
Stephen Marley.
Can someone grow balance like 32? With, of course, and the good thing you're already saying it. I mean, with patience and discipline, you can. With trading, actually, we are not limited by capital. We are always limited by our discipline and patience. That is it.
Could be the Mary Jane or the spell of the money. But I know what this could be. Airing out my history for you.
I got options. So honestly, guys, as long as you have the patience and discipline, I believe you can grow any account. You can grow any account. Do you agree with me, traders? Have you tried growing any accounts? With discipline and patience.
Been around the fame, been around the money, been around some names, but the Chico's still the same. Some things never change. Here's a tip: show me your friends, I'll show you your future. Keep it changed. I've seen them come and go.
My Henry, good to see ya. Abdul, good to have you. This is a Trading Assembly. Traders, feel free to ask any trading question. I mean, we are always here to move the markets because why not? And my strategy is simple, pure price action. Feel free to ask any trading question. Guys, the market is really moving down. That's why I'm keeping on executing these sell entries. So let's see how this one closes. Low momentum has taken me out. Damn. Can we get someone to love?
They looking for the perfect man. They looking for the perfect life. They take some perfect pics. They want some perfect dick, but ain't nothing perfect. Girl, no such thing as a perfect world. These broads try hard to be who they not and not who they are. Baby, you sweating what? Baby, you sweating who? You talking about such and such?
Oh my god, you guys are interesting. To be honest, I'm sorry for laughing, but whenever someone tells me something like I've grown my account from 5 to 70 and they blew it, I really find it so funny. I'm not finding it funny the point of growing it, but I'm thinking after reaching $70, you got overconfident and you believe that you are. Yeah, sometimes overconfidence, to be honest, can also take you out in the market. It's not always about non-trading, but also overconfidence. When you have got the profit, sometimes it can wipe you out in the market because you don't know when your next trade, if you're going to be trading based on the strategy or based on the fact, based on the confidence you have that you're already making profits. That's why it's always nice to, if you have made some profit, guys, always withdraw. Yeah, it's a must. Traders, you have to make withdrawals. And the other thing, as a trader, you have to always, if you have a trading plan, which I encourage any trader to really be having, If you have a trading plan, also include the how to react when you have really made some profits, when you have made those crazy moves in the market that felt like they were impossible. If you have attained that goal, you should also write how you're going to react after, so that you prepare your mind. When you get there, you already know that I promise myself to act like that. But sometimes also overconfidence takes us out, and it is where you find us most of the time donating our profits back to the market. It's not funny, guys. Once you make profits, they are supposed to be withdrawn. But if you're giving them back to the market, you should also work on ways on how you can do that. You can become better at that. I'm the only one. I'm the only one.
I'm the one that hit that same spot. She the one that bring them raindrops. We go back, remember Chris Cross and Holly.
Mason, thank you. Thank you, Els, thank
Make
you.
your dreams come true when you wake up. And your looks just the same without no makeup.
Michael, good to see ya. How are you doing? This is a trading assembly, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. As traders, we are here to learn and also catch up as traders. So the more we share from our trading experience, one of few traders are learning and we also get better. Guys, don't keep quiet if you're struggling. This is a trading assembly. If whatever is affecting you, most likely that every trader almost have gone through it. So if you share, you know you're not alone. I'm the one. I'm the only one. I'm the one. I'm the only one.
Okay, though. She beat her face up with that new Chanel. She like the price, she see the ice and make her coochie melt.
Cindy,
When I met
what's
her in the club,
up?
I asked her who she felt. Then she went and put that booty on that Gucci belt. We don't got no label. She say she want bottles. She ain't got no table. She don't got no bed frame. She don't got no tables. We just watching Netflix. She ain't got no cable. Okay, though. Plug. I'm the plug for her. She want a nigga that pull her hair and hold the door for her. Maybe that's only me. This shit okay with me. Maybe okay, though. You're looking at the truth of money never
Buyers are
lie,
onto
no.
something there.
I'm the one early morning in the
Oh
dark.
my
Know you wanna
God.
ride now. I'm the one, yeah.
How does this strategy work? This strategy is price action, and whenever you're trading with price action, you're looking at few things from the market, and the first thing you're going to look out for always is to first understand which market I'm dealing with. We all know how you trade a trending market is not the same way you trade a sideways market or a consolidating market. So if you can easily tell that I'm in a bullish market, the first thing you consider is to take in trades that are with line with a trend. I mean, as a beginner or as any trader, trades that are in line with a trend, they're always easier to take, and most of the times, I'm not saying always, but most of the times they end up locking into profits compared to pullback entries. Pullback entries can also be taken, but they are more risky compared to trading while following the trend. The other thing I'm always looking at is market structure. So if I know I'm dealing with a bullish market, I'm going to be looking at the market continuously forming higher highs and higher lows. Higher highs and higher lows, and we all know when you're looking at a bullish market, you take a continuation trade when the market has broken structure, pulls back, fails to take out a low. Then it gives you a bullish, either engulfing candlestick pattern, a bullish pin back with strong momentum. There it can be enough reason for you to take a bullish entry. the opposite is true for a bearish market. So if you can continuously do that whenever you're looking at your charts, believe me, if you can continuously do that, continuously look at the market in that way, yeah, that is how the strategy works.
Hey. Trips that you plan for the next whole week. Bands too long for a nigga so cheap. And your flex OD, your sex OD. You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. Yeah. Pretty little thing, you got a bag and now you ballin'. You just took it off the line, no mileage. Waiting, hitting you the DM looking violent. Talking while you come around and now they silent. Through the Cooper 17, no guidance. You be staying low, but you know what the price is. Ain't never got you know it being modest. Popping shit that only cause you know you poppin'.
Oh my god. So
You got it, girl, you got it.
you guys are interesting. I love you so much. Much love from
You
here.
got it, girl, you
Tell me
got it.
guys, where are you watching me from, traders? Where are you watching me from? Comment your country flag. I see where my viewers are seeing me from. I don't wanna play no games. Guys, comment your country flags. I wanna know where you watching me from.
You got it, girl, you got it. Hey. You got it, girl, you got it. You the only one I'm trying to make love to. Picking and choosing. They ain't really love you. Running game using. All your stupid exes, they gon' call again. Tell them that a real nigga stepping in. Don't let them niggas try you. Push your patience.
Alright, I see someone from UK. I see someone from Nigeria, India. I can see you all guys. I can see you all guys. Good to have you. US, Haiti. I see you all. I see you all guys. I want to know streamers. I want to know viewers. Where are you watching me from? Yeah, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from?
Play no games. Freaky. I can learn a lot from you. Gotta come to
UK, I see you, Raquel from UK. Guys, traders, one thing I can tell you when it comes to time frame and you're trading with price action, it is one strategy I believe you can apply on all time frames. All you have to do is to follow. Market structure happens on all time frames. Some with looking at understanding the market conditions. 5-minute chart, it can also be trending. And it can be showing you market structure. It can also give you candlestick patterns that can give you entry models. All you have to be is disciplined enough to wait for your entry or to take on an entry that is in line with your strategy. Do not rush to take entries because you're seeing a candle is opening red and you take sell entries. It could be opening red but end up closing when it is green. So always be patient enough to see what the market is doing, guys. These markets are still opening. All you have to do is to be patient for moves, especially if you're starting out. You're not so used to the markets. The more you keep on, you'll find yourself actually, if you're more consistent, the way you are trading at the beginning is not the same way that you trade like 2 years from now if you're consistent. I'm speaking that from my own experience because there are days I believe when I was just starting out to trade, I would struggle so much to just analyze and understand the market But I reached a point when I could just I would just go on my trading setup. I look at the charts and I can easily tell because I know exactly what to look out for. So as a trader having a strategy, knowing the confluences to look out for on the charts, it is better than just looking at randomly. Focus on the things that you have to look out for and just trade with that. And this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. It's hard to look right at your baby. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Hey, I just like you. And this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. And all the other boys try to change me. But here's my number, so call me maybe. There's a link in the description for the platform I'm using and its pocket option. In the way yourself holding. Red jeans, skin was showing. Hot night, wind was blowing. Where you think you're going, baby? Hey, I just met you, and this is crazy. But here's my number, so call me maybe. Yeah, guys, it is always one strategy, same setup, just be consistent. Same strategy, same entries, over and over again. But here's my number, so call me maybe. I'm using Keltner channel and I'm using it with its default settings. This is some nice bull run, guys, to be honest. The bulls are moving the markets. And guys, like I always tell you, whenever you're trading, always have an open mindset. Yeah. I mean, you could be seeing the market right now is trading upwards, but if it gives you a selling signal and you see this, it's gonna work out, don't hesitate to execute, because we all know when it comes to trading, no risk, no Ferrari. Yeah, that should also be a mindset. So don't hesitate if you see an opportunity, take it. If you see it's gonna work out well, capitalize on the move. Because if it's not you, then who?
Another one. We the best music. Yo, he ain't messing with no average chick. Pop, pop. He got Nicky, he know that he hit the jackpot. Every baller tryna score, check them shot clocks. But I hit them with them brawn Iguodala blocks. Eat the cake and he suck on my toes, yes. Hitting them home runs, I be like, go Mets. I want a dude that still kiss me when he mad. Type that caught me diamonds, he can miss me with them bags. We've been waiting, thinking about it all night. Baby, you should be up in my bed.
Guys, this is how I use the indicator. Oh my god. Okay, let's see if we can get another move. Guys, how I use the indicator. It is simple. I always look out for breakouts either to the top side or to the downside of the indicator. So if you get a breakout to the top side, you're going to start anticipating buyers in the market. So to use the indicator both with the price action, the next thing I'm always going to look out for is confirming if structure has already shifted bullish. That is a double confirmation, or to see if the market has really printed a candlestick pattern that is showing momentum shifting from being sellers to bullish. The opposite is true. If you get a breakout to the downside, the next thing you're going to look out for is structure. If you confirm structure is shifting bearish, then you can start selling. Or if you see some red candlestick patterns that are showing you bearish momentum, then you can base on that to execute sales. That's how I use both the indicator and price action. How many traders trade with only indicators, and how many traders trade with both indicator and the strategy? Share with me, guys.
We be going all night to the early.
Now you know you wanna take off on your home around way.
We ain't gotta talk about these conversations. Baby, by the way I touch you,
You know what I'm saying? Right,
slow. I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? 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 Thinking about it all night, baby, you should be up in my bed. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Baby, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? You know.
we ain't got forever and ever.
You know. Let me be the one, baby, you deserve better. You know. We ain't got forever and ever. You know.
Man, with all this red carpet shit, baby.
Let me be the one, baby, do you mind?
I'ma do that flavor, dripping flavor, hit 2 piece.
I'ma keep my promise, never treat you like a groupie.
Calamari dinners got you eating raw sushi.
12.
Chop the butter like my bitches bougie. 2 cups of styrofoam, excuse me, little mama. I can hold you down.
Be your friend and your lover.
You want watch the new Versace, you want Celine? Top back, trimming money, ain't a team.
Guys, all the indicators I'm using them with their default settings. I'm using them with the default settings. First reference, Civil May. With the best and I tell you it's fucking 05.
I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer, baby, post up. Ooh, do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind? Do you mind?
Okay, let's see if sellers are really still gonna push this market down. Do you mind?
Do you mind? Do you mind? Just in case you need me.
I don't mind.
Yeah.
Tell me what to do, tell me what to
I
do.
know what to do when you see a bad bitch in front of you, baby. Assume the position.
I'm just trying to get to know ya, get a little closer.
I'm loving this sweater. Someone comment locked in. Are you seeing what I'm looking at, guys? Buyers are really onto something. Seems like they want to switch structure from bearish to bullish. So let's see if it's gonna happen. Someone comment locked in. Traders comment locked in. I want to know where you're locked in from. And you know how we do it. As long as the markets are open, we are locked in for life. I cannot wait to make a decade in trading. By the time I make a decade, guys, how many years are you gonna be having in trading? Do you look forward to be a trader like me, locked in full time? Can't wait to be that. 10 years in trading. So far, this is my 4th year in trading, guys. I say you look good and no makeup.
No lashes, even better when you wake up. I see the look on your face, I see you hiding the hate. I see you looking for someone to scoop you right off your feet. You wanna ride in the rain, you wanna go out on dates.
You want somebody to come bring you flowers, someone to talk for hours. Alright, see someone from USA, Delaware. Good to have you. Mr. G, good to see ya.
Someone to bring you peace. Someone to help you sleep. Someone to pick you up when you're feeling down, feeling lonely. Somebody.
Locked in for life, as it should be, as it should be, as it should be. We have to be locked in for life.
Open up those gates to your heart.
Okay, Dream is from Wall Street.
Singing your favorite song.
Oh, you.
Nowhere to be found.
Nah, I'm good where I am. I'm good where I am.
Look good out, no makeup, no lashes, even better
I'm
when you're
good. I'm good where I am.
I see the look on your
Guys,
face.
tell me how many traders looked at their chats today. We cannot be saying we are locked in for life when you guys are not looking at your chat. I want fellow traders that are locking in real, just showing up every day, and we are gonna be counting more years. We're gonna be counting more years, and more years. Yes, they are. Only if you let me.
I'm on the stage right now, singing your favorite song. Look in the crowd, you know where to be found as they sing along. I say, you look good without no makeup, no lashes, even better when you wake up.
Bright for my success is fully locked in. Okay, let's see if we can get any more moves. We are here to move the markets. We are here to shock. Oh my god. Guys, I have a story to share with you. So the times I was still in my learning phase, like I always tell you guys, I didn't just learn by myself. I learned from very many different people and different situations. So that included attending seminars, trading seminars. And we all know trading seminars are always organized. Some are organized by fellow traders, others are organized by brokers. So anytime we would go and they would give us breakfast, someone would hear a trader talking about, I could be eating my losses now. Anyways, that's all trading. Okay, guys, let us secure our profits you've made. Then we get into the donations. Yeah, we are gonna get into donations. Someone comment ready, because in a few. Let the city you.
Started wearing less and going out more. Glasses of champagne out on the dance floor. Hanging with some girls I never seen before. Who used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. Call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love. I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
Someone comment ready, because we are about to get into it. Yeah, we are ready for our first participant. Someone wish Barbara good luck, and if you want to be part of the donations, it is simple. Just use the donation link down in the description. Just use the link down in the description. So let us get moves, 3 attempts to lock in.
You used to call me on my cell phone. Late night when you need my love.
I am using pocket options, and there's a link down in the description for all those that are asking about the platform I'm using. So let us lock in our first attempt.
I know when that hotline blink, that can only mean one thing.
Ever since the left the city, you.
Work. To me, I be work.
time to have you lurking.
Okay, guys, my first attempt is in,
You know what, that was
and I'm
for the
already loving what I'm seeing.
Nobody touched me in the right.
I'm already loving what I'm looking
Nobody
at.
touched me in a crisis. I believed all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, all my
Okay, so
tears,
let us
my decoration.
get another
Sticking
one.
me love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had. Something that you never
Cat Lover, good to see ya. Good to have you, Cat Lover, long time.
But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work. You see me happy work. You see me do me da. Tell me about that work. Da. When you walk out, da. Before the devil turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. I will never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this through. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. After why. It's me after why. You see me do my da. So me about that why. When you walk out, la. When the cat from my
Yeah, okay, you need to get done at work, come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get it up.
Just one attempt to go.
Distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you.
Why did I was anticipating the market to give us a bullish pullback, because as you can see, structure had shifted bearish. So that's why I took it out. And whenever the market breaks structure to the downside, you anticipate a pullback. So you can see a candle had already closed below that low. And you can see here a bullish strong momentum. That's why I took the buys. Yes, structure is appearing like this, but I'm still bearish. I'm still anticipating a bearish market until the high is taken out. But if it's not, I'm still anticipating a bearish market. Guys, are you seeing what I'm seeing? We are gonna close in. Two candles are closing above our entry. Let me see, type congratulations. Let me see, type congratulations to Barbara. 3 attempts are in. 3 attempts are in. And you know how we do it. Everything goes to the participant right away.
I'ma be on some put it like this. I ain't really nothing like the mother bitches. I don't be on Twitter on that messy ass shit. Need attention from the rap to get in position. Like somebody who can do it like me. I know I'm different, you can say I'm unique. If you ain't nobody, I can you critique. It ain't really criticism, you just hating on me. I feel like I'm the hardest
Guys,
bitch
more congratulations. More congratulations to Barbara. More congratulations to our participant.
I don't wanna hang out, I be in my own zone. Don't ever think I need you, I could do it on my own. I could go a whole day without being on my phone. I'm fitting with society, I'd rather be alone. Nowadays, all I see plastic surgery. I don't need to do that to make a nigga want me. Got a real old soul, I'm a 90s baby. You don't gotta give me shit, but some fucking loyalty. I'ma be honest, I'm put it like this. I ain't really nothing like the mother bitches. I don't be on Twitter on that messy ass shit. Need attention from the rap to get in position. There's somebody who can do it like me. No, I'm different, you can say I'm unique. If you ain't nobody, I can you critique. It ain't really criticism, you just hating on me. I feel like I don't know how to reach with my sleep. I don't really see nobody fucking with me. Can't hit nobody with a pies like me. If you know somebody, you gon' have to show me. No, it ain't easy to be me. They can't do this shit like
Okay, guys, let's see if you can get our first attempt. This is the trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. All right, your first time here. That's nice. Good to have you. This is a trading assembly. We are trading binary options. Currently, we are on donations, and let's see if we can get on a move.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on the jacket, it's elite shit. Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit.
I'ma show you how.
It go right foot up,
Left foot slide.
left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller in the track. Where we from? Baby, don't you wanna
First
dance
attempt
with me?
is in.
No, I could dance like Michael Jackson.
Just want to
Get
go.
your satisfaction. And you know we out here every day with it. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide.
Basically, I'm saying either way we gotta slide.
Can't let this one slide. 2,000 shorties wanna tie the knot. Yeah. 200 shooters on my brother's block. Oh, yeah. Pedal off the roads like I love it not. Maybe not. I don't know what's wrong with me. I can't stop. Oh, yeah. Won't stop. Yeah. Never stop. Got so many ops, I be mistaken ops for other ops. Got so many people that I love out of trouble spots. Other than the family, I got it's either you or me. That's just how I think it's either you or me. This life got too deep for you, baby. 2 or 3 of us about to creep where they stay.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on my jacket, it's a leak shoe.
Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how to get it. It go right foot.
This is already moving well for us, guys. Beautiful.
Right foot slide.
Let me see, type congratulations to Selena. 2 attempts are in.
2C slide, then I hit it double time, then I hit a spin, cause we spun that block a couple times. If it's not the right time, there'll always be another time. I'm not even tripping, we'll just see them in the summertime. Whoa, yeah. Can't describe the pressure I be putting on myself. Yeah. Really,
And you know how we do it, guys. Everything goes to the participants' account right away. So that's what we're gonna do. Your love for real.
Heard a lot about you, but we don't know for real. Next time, guarantee the truth will get revealed.
Black leather glove, no sequin. Buckles on my jacket, it's a leak shit.
Nike crossbody got a piece in it. Gotta dance, but it's really on some street shit. I'ma show you how. It go right foot up, left foot slide, left foot up, right foot slide. Basically, I'm saying either way we bout to slide. Hey, can't let this one slide. Hey. Don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you the passion. It's a thriller.
All right.
Baby, don't you wanna dance with me? No, I could dance like Michael Jackson. I could get you satisfaction.
All right, I'm seeing someone is saying, guys, on this channel I have videos talking about my strategy, and there are quite many. All you have to do is to watch on this stream. I'll be here every night, 8 p.m. UK time, still talking about my strategy. Come here and learn. We are always here to learn. And what is always going on in my mind when I'm looking at the charts, guys, it is simple. My strategy, every time I'm looking at every minute, every second that I'm looking at the charts, the first thing my mind processes is understanding the market condition I'm dealing with. Then after understanding the conditions I'm dealing with, like you continuously hear me looking at the market and saying the market is bullish, it's likely to shift bullish. That's the mindset I keep on having. The other thing I'm looking at for always is structure. And with structure, I first understand the highs and the lows, the most recent price action in terms of highs and the lows, because most of the time the market is either moving out to take out a high or moving down to take out a low, pulling back to facilitate to facilitate structure, because we all know in an uptrend the market, after breaking structure to the top side, it pulls back. So continuously, that's what is going on my mind. In my mind, whenever I'm looking at the charts, and it's how it should be whenever you're trading. It could not be just you trading price action, but any strategy that you're trading with, you have to continuously be looking at for those things. Those are the questions that you're going to be asking continuously. What is the market condition? Is the market structure facilitating the market condition you're looking at? A candlestick patterns also facilitating what the market condition you're looking at. That's how it should always be.
I keep pushing forward, but it keeps pulling me backwards.
Oh my god. You cannot blow, guys, it's not allowed to blow 2 accounts in a day. It's not really nice, honestly. That means your discipline is really not good, Arrow. Dream, it's not good.
So pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone too. Don't let him in, you have to kick him out, get free. Don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're a man, you ain't getting over him. I got no rules.
You're not over trading, you're over risking. There's a difference between really over trading and over risking, guys. And I believe what you're calling over trading, it is over risking. Because most of the time, traders, if we end up blowing our accounts, the problem comes from over risking in a particular zone.
So pick up the phone, you know he's only calling 'cause he's drunk and alone.
2,
Don't let him in, you have to kick him out, get
3.
Don't be his friend, you know you're gonna wake up in his bed in the morning. And if you're a man, you ain't getting over him.
I got news, I got. Okay, let's see if we can get another entry. Where did you learn this strategy? Oh my god, price actually is something that you can easily access anywhere. Yeah. And what I'm sharing is basically you can also learn it from here. The key is actually after learning price action, apply it on your charts. The key is not getting the strategy, because that's where we focus more on getting the strategy, but the key is applying it on the charts, because that's where everything changes.
Ever since we was on, I dreamed it all. Ever since I was
Then they said I will be nothing.
now they always say congratulations. Worked so hard for that house to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate, say we changing, look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. That was never friendly. Yeah. No, I'm jumping out of bed. Yeah, and I know I sound dramatic. Yeah, but I know how to have it. Yeah, for the money I'm a savage. Yeah, I mean, it sound like I had it. Yeah, I'm surrounded 20 bad bitches. Yeah, but they didn't know me last year. Yeah, everyone wanna act like they important. But all that mean nothing when I saw my daughter. Everyone counting on me, drop the ball.
Sorry about that. Okay, let us get another move. If you fall, waiting, put your hand to the sky. I couldn't make sense when I got millions on my mind. Just one anthem to go. My candles are 5 seconds and my expiration time, guys, is 15 seconds. Now they always say congratulations. So even one candle, no. I wouldn't, guys. Whenever we are trading, I wouldn't count the number of candles to attach it to a move. But I also strongly believe a single candle cannot justify a pullback.
Now I can scream that we made it. Now everywhere I go, they say congratulations. Young nigga graduation. I pick up the rock and I ball, baby. I'm looking for
Okay, let me see type congratulations to Anthony. 3 attempts are in. 3 attempts are in. And you know how we do it, everything goes to the participant. Super Bowl. Top floor lifestyle. Function post. Malone. Guys, let me see type congratulations to Anthony. Lighting actually said you made good profits today. That is nice. That is nice. That's how trading should be. So keep it up. Be consistent and keep it up. So get on to vacation. David, good to see ya. Okay, we move on to our next. Just one attempt, guys. So let us lock in. Someone comment locked in. I need you guys locked in so that we can easily if I explain a move, you can easily catch up. Things are getting sticky, girl. I think that I'm stuck. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Come for me, yeah. Never gonna not hit. Yeah, your loving is just too. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. I'm a runner boy. I'm a runner boy. Oh my God, buyers are coming after me. Damn. Oh my God. Okay, didn't go as anticipated. Let us refund and try again. Whenever I take a loss on a first attempt, guys, you know how I do it. I refund and try again. So let's do that. You watch your figures, you had a deal. Got your fresh prince and a big wheel. Hold a mean coat, that's a big kill. Put you on the phone like a windshield. I'll admit I'm wrong, but I know that you gon' come for me. Never gonna not yeah, your loving is just too. And every time you hit my phone, you say you need company. Marina boy. Ivy Monroe, good to see you, dear. Moti, Getting, good to see ya. Sammy. Oh my God. Sometimes, guys, surnames are hard for me to pronounce. But good to have you all on the Trading Assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question. We are here to learn as we are getting our attempt again. Tiber from Budapest. I think I should just, guys, you know I'm planning to have a vacation soon, so I think I should just go to Budapest. Someone convince me a nice vacation where I can take my vacation. Ayan, good to see ya. Good to see ya, Ayan. On the lawn trying to blow him like harmonica. He call me queen, you know Nikki is the Monica. He wanna mix between Hillary and Monica. I switch it up. Rip the beat and I switch it up. Traveled and I bounced up all Sinead. Barbie, I link up Major Laser. Okay, guys, let us get our first attempt to see. Oh my god, what are sellers up to here? Dang. Oh my god, that was really crazy. Sorry about that, guys. Sorry about that. Oh my god. Virero. Sorry about that. Next time better. We go into the next. Okay, actually, I saw some David you're practicing the strategy. And how is it going? How is it going for you now? Are you seeing any difference? To be honest, it took me about 1.5 years, close to 2 years, to become profitable. But it was all because I was inconsistent. I feel like it would have been shorter, because by the first year of my trading, I already knew everything. Almost of the things actually I apply on the market right now. The only difference is between then and now is I am consistent, I show up, and I also have a probabilistic mindset. And by that I mean that when it comes to trading, losses are part of the game, even, and we have no control of what happens once we execute the trade. So it's just my mindset that shifted. After shifting my mindset to a trader's mindset, actually trading became easier for me. In the beginning, I was so worried about. I just wanted every entry that I make to end in a plus, which is okay because there is no trader that plans to take on losses. But you have to also understand that as a trader, you could be in a zone where everything takes your strategy and still a trade goes against you, and how you react after that is how trading should be for you. So the shorter you comprehend that, the better your trading gets. But personally, me being inconsistent, that's why it took me long to become profitable compared to other traders. So consistency is what is going to either shorten your journey or make it longer. It can even be longer to 5 years, guys. So it's always upon you to do what is right. All right, let's see how this one is. Dang, that was really close, to be honest. Let us get another move. I got the recipe, and it's all about magic. Just one attempt to go. Sellers don't have to do this. Damn. Oh my god.
I heard you
Come on. Oh my god. Damn.
Square root of 69 is a something, right? Cause I've been trying to work it out. Good white wine. I come alive in the night.
Sorry about that.
Okay, away we go. Only thing we
Sorry about that. Didn't go as planned.
But I know you wanna stay. You just waiting on the track and to finish, girl. The things that we can do in 20 minutes, girl. Say my name. Wear it out. It's getting hot, crack the window, air it out. I can get you through a mighty long day. Soon as you go, the text that I write is gonna say.
Battling with inconsistency, but you can understand market structure. You are on the right track. Keep it up. Keep it up, David. I'm actually proud of you. You're putting in the work, and I'm so glad you can tell your problems. Because if you're a trader and you can easily tell the mistakes you're doing as trading, it becomes easier. Hey boy. Look, man, sorry about that. Next time better. Guys, but traders, we have to really handle the concept of you blowing accounts. It's getting out of hand. I'm not speaking like I've never blown an account. I've really blown accounts before. I'm not going to lie, but the mistakes that I learned when I was blowing my accounts, it was over risking. That was it. And the need to flip an account. So if you can get over that concept of flipping an account, believe me, because what's the point of blowing your account and it's going to take you about a week to get more capital to trade? And the more you really spend less time in the markets, you are affecting your trading skill, your trading psychology. Consistency comes with also having capital to trade. If you have no capital to trade, you cannot be consistent, to be honest. So whenever you're trading, you have to also consider that if I don't have capital, it's also going to affect my skill. But I also understand I've ever blown an account, to be honest. It's not like it's a new thing. We all traders, I believe we also have a phase, but the key is to work towards getting out of that phase and become a better trader. Sometimes I hesitate my entries. Why do you hesitate? Get a trader's mindset and never hesitate trading. Yeah, you have to get a trader's mindset. Because as a trader, you should know that once you execute an entry, anything that comes after that, it is not your problem. And also, you have no control over the market. Even when you feel like the entry is right, it can go against you. So that could be enough reason for you to just execute, because you don't know what is going to happen. Just one attempt is in. Our patience has paid off. Our patience has paid off. But I'm really glad that at least traders, you're really showing up. Yeah, the more you really keep on showing up, all your trading psychology is going to be getting better. So keep showing up, but reduce on the blowing. Yeah, reduce on the blowing of your accounts, really.
No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama.
But some don't risk.
She got a little bit of drama with us. She got a little bit of drama with us. No need to pretend. She got a little bit of drama with us. Some little dreaming right near us. You don't smoke, but it's cool with us. Some city with your girls on the weekend. 17 nights, I out past 10. All spotty till you turn up with your mans. Arguments all day with your branch. Just to go out, gotta
high school girl. But you don't trust this, no. But you don't trust this, no. Guys, that's why me personally, I cannot base all my entries on just an indicator. I back it up with a strategy. But anyway, when it comes to trading, what works out for you, which is what you should stick with. And if you feel like something is not working out for you, guys, don't force it. Yeah, because trading, the more you force entries, the more you force things to work out for you, the more money you're going to lose.
Every lost girl I know is over 26. Every lost girl I know is just too afraid to admit. You get your body to me.
Guys, I do trade currency pairs. I do trade currency pairs. What are you talking about?
Different than it was before.
But y'all know, as traders, we also have assets that we love trading. That's a fact. So actually, traders, comment what are your favorite pairs to trade or assets to trade that you enjoy looking at their charts. They move well for you. Share with me. What are your best?
Everything's for you. Drama is for you. Take that L, you know. Girl, that's not me.
Honesty. To be honest, guys, one thing I can share with you as a trader, most of the times you find yourself blowing an account, it is you're over risking. That is it. You're over risking. That is the only way you're gonna blow an account. Believe me, if you're trading with patience and discipline and the right risk management, even when you take losses from the market, they are not going to wipe you completely. Yes, they may take part of your account, but they can never wipe you completely. So lightening this sea. Yeah, let me hope next time you can practice some risk management, and I'm glad you can tell your problem. And the next step, actually, if you have really made profits and you have got to a point of overconfidence, the next step is you're most likely to take a loss. That's why most of the times, actually, when I was just starting out, this is from my own experience. If you had a good trading day the previous day, most likely the next day you're going to have a bad trading day because of you have that confidence, that overconfidence that yesterday I made it, so even today the market is going to be humble. That is it. That's how it always is. Okay, let us get our next move. All my entries are refined by candlestick patterns. Yeah, I base on that to take entries. But before I conclude on the entry to take, I first understand the market condition, market structure. Then I also look at key areas. Once I confirm everything is lined with my strategy, I execute. Okay, let me see type congratulations to Grace. Let me see type congratulations to Grace. Yeah, 3 attempts are in. Stop. Hey, walking our body. Ken, good to see ya. Faisal, good to see ya. Good to have you all. This is a trading assembly. Feel free to ask any trading question, guys. Feel free to ask any trading question. I learned from everywhere. I'm a collection of everything. Oh god. But to me, I learned from friends. I also learned from watching videos. I learned from people's live streams. I learned from almost everywhere. When I was still in my learning phase, I didn't really limit myself to a single, to just learning. It's just on, I kept on learning. I first focused on learning by myself. Then I realized it was getting complicated. I met fellow traders, but actually most of my execution entries, they came from watching people trade. Yeah, if you really know traders and you can easily watch them, it gets better like that. Our first attempt is in and locked in. Everything a part of me. Okay, just one attempt, we hit our target. Damn. Oh my god. The way you move, no separation, ain't no conversation, nah. On everything. That's just strategy of during the day. Pure price action can be applied on all time frames, in all market conditions, and in all trading times, I do believe. Because the market, if the market is moving, you're really looking at you're looking at its price formation, price movement. Push my button in the hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Pushing on my buttons with no hesitation. Gas me up, give me motivation. So tell me where we can't pick a destination. Gas me up, give me motivation now. Sellers are moving well. Let's see if you can get a move. Sing, good to see ya. How do you learn? I have videos on this channel talking about my strategy, so you can check them out. And I'm dropping more videos. All you have to do is to subscribe, so that in case I drop a video, you do not miss it out. You be up to date. I'm also here every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So be sure to join the trading assembly. We learn together. I mean, we are not here to get kick. We are here to learn. Give me life.
Am I out of my head? Am I out of my mind?
If you only knew the bad things I like,
don't think that I can explain it.
what can I say? It's complicated.
No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Nothing's that bad if it feels good. So you come back like I knew you would. And we're both wild, and the night's young. And you're my drug. Breathe you into my face, no. Drop it down to that bass drum. I got what you dream about. Nail scratching my back tap. Eyes closed when you scream out and you keep me in with those hips. While my teeth sinking those lips. While your body's giving me life. And you suffocating my kiss, then you say
I want you forever, even when we're not together.
Scars on my body so I can take you wherever. Like I want you forever, even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and never get me.
Am I out of my head? Am I out of my mind? If you only knew the bad things I like, don't think that I can explain it. What can I say? It's complicated. No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain it. What can I say? It's complicated.
Hey, I can't explain it. I love the pain. And I love the way that your breath love me like Novocaine.
Okay, let us execute our second attempt.
Strange.
I'm insane, but you're the same.
Let me paint the picture. Couch by the kitchen. Hey, nothing but your heels on. Losing our religion. Doing my pretty little fiction. And I'm that voice inside your head that keeps telling you to listen.
Okay, this is good. Just want to go. Scars on my body so I can take you wherever like. Are you reading candle per candle? Oh my god. Yeah. I've been looking at key areas whenever I'm trading. Yes, of course, even candlestick formation is really important to me. But not every candle per candle. I'm just looking at the highs and the lows in the market. Those are my important areas and areas of interest. So when the market reaches those areas of interest, I'm also looking at the candlestick formation around those areas of interest. I want you forever.
Scars on my body so I can take you wherever like I want you forever even when we're not together. Scars on my body, I can look at you and things that I don't think that I can explain it. Can I say it's complicated? No matter what you say, no matter what you do, I only wanna do bad things to you. So good that you can't explain. Can I say it's complicated?
All the girls is INTEPENDNT. Just for all the girls that be living stress free.
Just for the girls that are wishing like me.
2 steps ahead like C. Fitters and fitty, I'm bad like.
All right, you're getting our final attempt, and you can see sellers are moving well. Okay, honestly, these are my best trades, and the moment I see two candles closing below my position or above my entry, gives me more confidence that the market is most likely to close. Okay, let me see. Type congratulations to Freddie Wells. Yeah, let me see. Type congratulations to Freddie Wells. And you know how we do it? Everything goes to the participant right away. Green, green, good to see ya.
Booking my own trips. Don't ever let him disrespect you and call you back today. You have this voice obsessed, they can't stop picturing your day.
I'm bad, I'm gorgeous, I'm very important.
How you calling me expecting no
Cora, good to see ya. Good to see all traders. Let me see type congratulations to all our participants for tonight. Yeah, all traders where I didn't go well, next time better. Next time better. And if you want to be part of the participants tomorrow night, it is simple. There's a donation link down in the description. You can use that. Yeah, donations are not financial investments. They're purely for trading and learning purposes. So, yeah. And this is a trading assembly, guys. You know how we do it every night. We are here, 8 p.m. UK time, moving the markets, learning, sharing our own trading experience. Be sure to join a community of traders. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram channel. Yeah, join. And actually, guys, I also have a Signal group. All you have to do is to create an account with my link. Send me proof via Telegram, and I'll surely add you to the Signal group for free. There's a link down in the description for my Telegram. You can always write to me anything you want, traders. You can always connect with me via that. The platform I'm using to trade is Pocket Options Broker, and there's a link down in the description for it. Yeah, if you want a cool trading bot, there is a link down in the description for Skynet trading bot. You can always write to Skynet support team, and they're gonna give you a free bot, because why not? Because why not? So reach out to Skynet support team and get a free ball. Hey, if you're gonna know, get ready to turn up with the big boys. It's been a beautiful night. If you agree with me, comment locked in, because we are always locked in every night, 8 p.m. UK time. So someone comment locked in. That's how we be moving every night. Another day to make dollars, because why not? As traders, that should be our motive, to get the bag. I love to get it on. Let's roll. To get to on. I'm using the indicator, guys, with these default settings. Amirami, good to see ya. How have you been? David, there's a link in the description for the platform I'm using. Get ready to turn up with the big boys. Right choice. Jesse, how are you doing? Traders, mark your attendance. Where are you watching me from? It's always nice to have you and catching up with my fellow traders. There is nothing as good as a trader having a community. So we catch up tomorrow, same time, 8 p.m. UK time. I love you so much. Bye.